Welcome to Maine! This week we're going to focus on dry brushing, so let's get started. guys, and Happy New Year and Happy New Decade. Welcome to 2020. So, let's talk about this piece. For this piece, I focused just on dry brushing. I painted this piece, I cleaned this piece, I painted using milk paint. It doesn't really matter what you're going to use, milk paint or chalk paint, they're pretty similar. I use milk paint because of easy distressing. I was planning to distress this piece. I actually really like the base color for this piece, so that was the reason behind me using milk paint as a base. After that, I wanted to layer some color, but I wanted to dry brush them. I wanted that farmhousey, weathered look. I decided to go with neutral colors, and I just wanted to add a little bit of color to that, so I decided to use mint color. It's just a nice touch to the piece. I layered off-white color, and then I layered some mint color, some white, some dark gray for shadowing. When dry brushing, one of the most important things is patience. If you don't have time, then don't do dry brushing. Use different technique. Use something that is just achievable really fast. Dry brushing takes patience and takes time. I like to do section by section, drawer by drawer, door by door. If I'm doing the front piece, if I'm doing the top, then I like to go all the way from the one side to the other side. Another thing we did in this video, we layer. The difference between dry brushing and layering is that dry brush, you just put a little amount of brush, you tap, you unload, that's how I call unload the paint on something, and then you go back and forth with that the brush feeling almost dry. That is dry brushing. Layering is when you layer color after color after color on top of each other. So we did that. I sanded everything at the end for better transition. That is the reason behind sanding. And that's it. This is very neutral for all people who love neutral colors but want to introduce a little bit of color, like bright color in their homes. This is perfect idea. You just add a little bit of mint. I mean, mint matches with everything. Who doesn't like mint, you know? It's like such a positive color to me. If you want to learn how to dry brush, just watch this video and I'm sure you're going to dry brush after this. The worst convincing, huh? That was it for this video. I hope you liked this video. I hope you like this technique. If you did, please leave a comment below, thumbs up, and of course, subscribe. I hope to see you next Friday. I'm bringing you a new project and more ideas. Bye, guys.